These little guys are technically called Simplex stars, but what's cool about them is when you put them all together and put many together. I'm going to show you at the end of the video. You will love to see that because the result is absolutely fabulous. So I'm going to set these aside for now. Very simple quilt block to make. These are just made out of 4 squares of fabric, which I chose to, let me see, I used up extra stuff. I had cut extra scraps from other projects, so I pulled out of these. So these are 2.5-inch squares and 2.5-inch half square triangles. It can't get more simple than that. So I'm going to lay these out here so you can just screenshot that. Now remember, when you are creating half square triangles and you want them to be 2.5-inch half square triangles, you need to start with 3-inch pieces of fabric for that, okay? Marry 2 3-inch pieces of fabric together. Your half square triangles will be 2.5 inches like these. This is the basic layout. It's kind of nice, kind of cute, right? Put these together in pairs, then add your third one to each row, and then stitch your rows together. So what's so cool is when you do several of these, a lot of you have said in the past, I want to see several of these together. Well, that's what I did for you on this one. Look at the result. I put 4 of the Simplex stars together. I love this. I love this so much. As soon as I put them together, I'm like, yes, now that is a project. That is something I would be proud to do. I hope you'll give Simplex Star a try. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.